So if you believe that you have a monitoring spirit or a demon or evil spirit disturbing you, or you feel like maybe someone is in your house spiritually, you understand, and you want to remove any demon or evil spirit from your house or from your life, so get sulfur, this is sulfur, and get potash. So these two materials, powder them, powder it very well. Then get olive oil and put this powder in this olive oil. Shake it very well. So if it is in your working place or your office, your market, your house, just drop a little, spray it in your office, spray it everywhere in your office. You can add a drop of this in warm water and use it to bathe. By the grace of Almighty God, you surely share me a good testimony. It's very simple and very, very